representing the people of the state of New York. Ms. Tiffany, is any legal reason that my sentence cannot be imposed?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything you'd like to say?
Well, I'm the last defendant this evening. And it may be hard to hear that I do have something I would like to say. I've been silent during this entire trial. Like you, I think I've been a good listener. I would hope that you don't interpret my silence as a lack of commitment to this issue of the drones. I stand before you convinced, like others, that we are innocent. I also stand before you knowing that I've done what I can to bring the drone issue before my community and also before my country. Of course, I support the testimony of all of the defendants that have gone before me. It's been a very moving evening, like other evenings that we've had in this courtroom. And I support the testimony of U.S. Attorney General Ramsey Clark. I think we were very privileged to have him here. I would call our group patriots. I think that we are citizens who believe that this nation can become more compassionate, more just, actually more wise. If we didn't believe that, if we didn't love our country and think that it could become better, then we would not do what we have done. So I think we're very patriotic. And I'm very proud to be a part of that group, a group that believes in international law. And what came out in the courtroom, we believe in the golden rule. And that has guided us, and has guided me. I'm just going to bring up one more quote that I also remember, and that's from Frederick Douglass, which we've all heard. And that is that power concedes nothing without a demand. It never has, and it never will. And so, as a citizen of this country, I'm going to continue to demand. I'm going to demand that the laws that have been passed in Congress, the laws that have been signed by the presidents of the United States, be respected. Now, we citizens don't have the power of the president, and the DeWitt Court doesn't have the power of the Supreme Court. On the other hand, all of us can speak truth. We can all make waves. We can make statements of justice, truth, things that hopefully will shake the systems up a little bit here in DeWitt, and I hope beyond here. And if that leads to ridicule, if it leads to censure, and if it leads to punishment, then so be it. I accept that. I accept responsibility for my actions, and I think it's important that we take them. And so, Judge Gideon, I challenge you to join us. I challenge you to join us in this effort to make the United States more law-abiding, and most importantly, a more compassionate nation. Thank you.
Sentencing judgment is court. Sentencing concurrently on the two convictions of disorderly conduct. 1-year conditional discharge conditions being stay out of further trouble under the law. I am imposing a $250 fine, $125 surcharge, serving you with a summons with notice that if it's willfully not paid, it will be converted to a civil judgment. You do have a right to appeal this sentencing judgment in this court. If you wish to do so, you have to file a notice of appeal and duplicate with the court clerk within 30 days of today's date, and perfect your appeal at county court. That form is available on the New York State Court's website or available through the court clerk's office here. The matter is completed and the court stands adjourned.